What is up, Prealgebra? This is lesson 104. We're going to be talking about volume, capacity, and mass in the metric system. They're pretty closely related. In fact, they're equal, though we just use different units of measure on there. So if we're talking about 1 cubic centimeter filled with water, its volume is 1 centimeter cubed, its capacity is 1 milliliter, and the mass is 1 gram. So all three of those are equivalent kind of sayings of that. And then another same idea, volume 1,000 centimeters cubed is the same thing as 1 liter. So notice there's 1,000 milliliters in a liter. And then that's also the same thing as 1 kilogram or kilo. So there's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So let's look at here at example 1. It says Ray has a fish aquarium that is 50 centimeters long and 20 centimeters wide, and the aquarium is filled up with 40 centimeters of water. How many liters of water are in the aquarium? So what we want to do first off is just find its volume. So to do that, we'll say 50 centimeters by the 20 centimeters by the 40 centimeters. 5 times 2 is 10, times 4 would be 40, but then we're going to add on the zeros from each of those. So this would be 40,000 centimeters cubed, but it didn't ask for the volume. It says how many liters. So liters, notice here, 1,000 centimeters cubed is the same thing as 1 liter. So I'm going to take and divide this by 1,000. Or I guess if you want to, here we would multiply this by 1,000 centimeters cubed. And put 1 liter on top. The centimeters cubed reduces, so that would be 40 liters. So that's for part A. For part B, it says what is the mass in the mass of the water in the aquarium. So since there are 40 liters, we know it's going to be 40 kilograms. Because see, 1 liter is the same thing as 1 kilogram. So you have 40 liters is going to be 40 kilograms. Malia wants to find the volume of a vase. She fills a 1 liter beaker with water and then uses all but 800 milliliters to fill the vase. So first off, remember that 1 liter, same thing as 1,000 milliliters. So she used 1,000 milliliters, fits in here. And so what we need to do is we need to say the 1,000 minus the 280. 0, I have to borrow from there. It's going to be 9. So 720 milliliters, right? She started off with this, and this is what she had left. That means it was 720 milliliters. But it didn't ask for the capacity, it asked for the volume. But remember, each milliliter is the same thing as 1 centimeter cubed. So I'm going to say for part A, be 720 centimeters cubed. For part B, it says if the mass of the vase is 640 grams, what's the mass of the vase and the water together? So remember, the mass would be 720 grams. I'm going to come up here. 720 grams. That's just for the water, right? Because it's same thing as a centimeter cubed, or as a milliliter, so it's 720 grams. And then we also have to add to that the weight of just the vase itself. So that's the 640 grams. So if we add those, it's 1,360 grams. Alright, example 3 says on a fishing boat, live bait is kept in cubic tanks, measuring 1 meter on each edge. So picture of that. So this is 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Find the volume of the tank. Well, thus far all we know about is centimeters for volume. So remember, 1 meter is the same thing as 100 centimeters. So I'm going to say 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters. So it's going to be a 1 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros after it. Centimeters cubed for part A. That's my volume in centimeters cubed. For part B, I'm going to come over here. It says now find the capacity. Okay, but it doesn't ask it for it in milliliters, it asks for it in liters. So this is how many milliliters it is. So we just need to convert that. Remember, we have 1,000 milliliters per 1 liter. So I'm crossing off 1, 2, 3 zeros. So this would be 1,000 liters because the milliliters and the milliliters reduced. So that is part B. And then part B, it says find the approximate mass of the tank full of water in kilograms and the approximate equivalent weight in pounds. So remember that 1 liter is the same thing as 1 kilogram. So for part C, I would have 1,000 kilograms. But we also want to convert that into pounds, because how many is 1,000 kilograms? So we're going to use this thing they gave us here. I'm going to put kilograms on the bottom. Put 2.2 pounds on top. The kilograms reduce with each other, dividing by 1. So it's going to be 2,200 pounds. And that's it, guys. Good luck. You guys are going to do awesome. Let me know if I can help.